And we're stuck with the fact that we can't zoom. Properties. See if we can zoom this in. Font. Alright. Okay. Is that easier to read? Let's try that. That's as good as it's gonna get. Oh, I feel bad about this. Yep, that's a damn. Okay then. Looks like we are stuck with it as is. Okay, so we need to go and get from the GitHubs. We need to get my project so I can actually start coding on it again. Repositories, St. Patrick's Day, code. Give me this SSH, please. Thank you. Oh, I need to sign in. This is where we get one key. GitHub. Copy it. Really have thought this part through in advance, shouldn't I? Whoops. There we go. Let's close that down. Never add. There we go. SSH. So, git clone, and we have St. Patrick's Party. I apologise if I seem a little out of sorts, ladies and gentlemen. I am, well, I'm not going to lie, out of my depth using this. So you'll have to excuse me and allow for me to be a little bit wobbly around the edges. Oh, however, I believe we are 3/4 of the way through the first cup of coffee whilst I've been stressing trying to get this damn thing to work. So I think it's time for the beer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Black Forest Stout by Moondog, the Salamander Black IPA, and from the Birmingham Best, we have Heaven Hells from Burning Soul. Which should I go for? Where was I? Yeah, I need a Visual Studio Code instance to actually do some coding in. You know what? I'm going to start gently. I am going to start with Hells. Oh. Install. Download Git. So we have some neat little bits of worky. There we go. Because that's what I get distracted. Hells. Satisfying sound for a very satisfying beer. Some attempt at ASMR pouring. Not bad. Not bad at all. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so, where were we anyway? Oh, does that mean that's going to work? Oh, does my favourite command work now? Do I need to exit? Project. It bloody worked. You know what? I may not hate Windows subsystem for Linux. Do not tell Chris Key this. Otherwise I will never ever live it down. Right, so go. You know what? I can't remember what we're doing on because it's been like since last Friday. Server, source, index, TS, Express. Ah, yes, we're going to make a Express app to capture those things. Thinking that may be a little bit overkill. Maybe a function instead, because all we want to do is capture when people go into the thingy. Great description. More tools. Do we get the extension manager? One password. Let's quickly add it this way. Install the cool. Add to Chrome. Extension. I should immediately. Ability to. There we go. Oh, I need to sign in. Let's skip that one. Alright, we need to go to Pusher next. So, Pusher. Come. I need one password. I'm going to stick it on the other screen to save my bacon. So, Pusher. Get my creds. Sign in. I know I connect to my GitHub, so I don't have to do this again, do I? Here we go. So, Pusher. And sure. St. Patrick's Day. Connections today? 4? How is there been 4 connections? I haven't done the damn thing on once. Okay. Nah, no, I'm not going to be using LastPass ever again because they are changing their rules about how they operate. Like, you're only going to be able to use it on a tablet or on a PC or a laptop, which is going to be a rather big pain in the butt when you're switching between devices. Oh. Shouldn't be making noises like that about this beer, but... Oh, Matron. Solid 4.7 Hell's Lager. Ooh. Now I'm going to take my beer with a coffee chaser. Okay, so peak connections, great. Getting started. I don't need the getting started. I want the Pusher API. Is there a quick link? We got a quick link to their docs. So I think one of the things I wanted to do was be able to see who's in the channel at once. Subscribe to a channel. Great, that's what I want. Events. Great. I'm pretty sure there's a way of telling how many people are in the channel, interrogating it. And having them phrase, words, things be known, for lack of a better word. Connections, push key, TLS, yada yada yada. Channels, there we go. So, public, private, encrypted presence channels. Alright, we don't want that. Yeah, I think we want to use a public channel. We need to get from pusher. How many people are in there? So, resources. Nope. Interaction with our API. There we go. So, pushing events, yada yada yada. Publishing on a single channel, publishing multiple channels, don't need to worry about that. Fetch subscriber and use account. Ah! That's what I want. Wait, to trigger my event. Hello, entrance. This is where it's going to be weird, because I'm going to have to actually publish multiple events. So how many people are in the channel at the moment? So I can make it reflect, because the whole point is having the multiple people displayed on screen by an avatar. So I need to know roughly how many people there are going to be. So that means it's I'm gonna, for every event I throw in which is a new person joining, I'm gonna have to send a second event with that actual attribute. That's annoying. I suppose it's one? One? One what? I am so confused. Oh, yeah. Juan. Juan or Juan? What up? Not this chat. That chat. Like, not the Twitch chat, in the pusher chat. Not in the chat, in the channel. There is a difference. Oh, God, Lord of the Trolls is back. It's Juan with one sheet. I just need really... Yeah. Jesus. Right, I need more beer for this. Okay, so I am going to need that server to actually capture and resend that information. Juan. But try saying that 15 times in a row without sounding offensive to everybody. Anyway, right, as I was. So, I'm going to need to capture and beer of the day. Oh, I've already done this one. This beer is a lovely Birmingham Burning Soul. Thank you very much. If anybody... no, there is no one beer, there is many beers, because this is building with beer. Because I just realised my channel is incorrect, because I am definitely not a talk show today. Oh God. Oh God. Let's just go just chatting. Yeah, there we go. Complete gibberish. No more? Ha! How? People are purposely trying to make my brain confused. I know it doesn't take a lot, but... Turning into an X-rated channel. It's always been an X-rated channel. The moment I open my mouth, it's X-rated. There is no definition of polite that comes out of me. Which is such a shame, because I'm such a delight and have a wonderful voice for speaking. Alcohol... You're Scottish. The definition of Scottish is alcohol and moaning. Yeah, I went there, and you know what? I don't care. Wrong moaning term. What the... There is no wrong moaning. I am saintly British. All things are open to moan. Saintly British, Jesus Christ. Alright, run new terminal. Oh! Oh! It gives me an actual subsystem in there. Ah! Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. No. No. That term sex tape does not need to exist in the context of me ever. Thank you. Even as a joke. Oh, I think I'm going to cry. If I cry on the internet, it's not real. There is no wrong moaning. I'm British. Poop. Poop. Hoisted on my own petard. CD server. Alright, cool. I'm ignoring this. I'm running the heck away. npmi save. I'm going to want... Pleasure. Because I'm also going to want to do import. As a Punicode. Come on, are you just gonna like quote tweet me on everything? It's like I'm subtweeting this entire conversation. Oh man, I'm stuck. Alright, so I actually need to go and find a TS configuration for myself because I'm too lazy to have to remember how to write one from scratch. Now, I remember doing one not so long ago. Oh, sorry, TypeScript. There we go. Where is my... Ooh, TS config. Thank you. Raspberry Pis is... Okay, I'm curious now. What the heck are you doing with a Raspberry and a Pi? You haven't interacted with any people today, have you, Callum? You just decided to descend all of the madness on me. Oh god, this... And now I know how Josh felt last night. Oh, for the love of gods. The gods! Hackathon at work next week. Ooh! Hang on. Hang on. My brain is trying to remember where you work. You work... Is it Indeed or like at some recruiter imaging everything? Why? Oh, check your Twitter and I may actually understand. Yeah, okay. So let's say, why would you need a Raspberry Pi for a hack? Oh, don't look at your Twitter. Oh. Working at Indeed. Right, fine. Why would you... What are you going to do with a Raspberry Pi? Now I'm curious. Considering I had, and you may remember this certain gentleman, Marcus Noble, in for hacks. Well, I had the king of randomly gluing crap together, Marcus Noble, on for the podcast, which shall hopefully be out either later today or tomorrow, depending on how many more beers I have after this stream. Right. Let's be sensible. Let's make sure I get the correct build. Blah. Ah, poop. Did I not write something for this? It appears I did not write something for this. Alright, let's go straight up YOLO this crap with a TSC. Sorry, MPX TSC. Right, if you can't divulge what it is, can you tell us what's interesting about it? Like, what rando... Because if you're using a Raspberry Pi, can you say if you're going to be using anything else interesting with it? Because that's like Raspberry Pi's definition of either I'm writing something for ridiculously low-powered machines, or I'm doing something distributed. Which, either way, really interesting. Nope. I didn't like it either. Oh. That actually sounds interesting. It also sounds really difficult to do, like... Are you working as a team? Because that's the sort of thing, like, solo hacking that stuff whilst working with other people. Like, sounds complicated. Oh, getting used to writing on a Windows keyboard for code is no bueno. No bueno. Work from home, innit? You need, mate. Shaman. Ooh! Did it work? Did it work? Ooh. Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? It appears to have worked. You strict define ES modules. Okay, so let's just roll up a real quick version of this. See how this plays out. Trigger channels, cannot find any channels. Just gonna make one called Hello World, because what the hell else do you do? Okay, cool. Oh. Feels really, really weird to be having beer with a coffee chaser. Okay. As I need to grab out of here. Pusher.js. Poop. Agon screwed up. Alright, how did I do this before? I hadn't got that far before. Okay, it's fine. I have not screwed up. FYI, I was wondering what I need to do with the keys. Now, the solution to that is I do npmi. Unless I did it in this project. Part of the project. Da-da-da. No. Nope, I did not do it, so doth not screw the pooch yet. Anyways, so npm I save dot and then very quickly switch to my beautiful face whilst I very quickly hack in an env file. And nobody is the wiser about me not having my keys all set up properly. App settings, app keys, here we go. App keys. Come in! Pasta. Just quickly do this. App ID. Pusher key. Oh. Pusher. Secret. Pusher. Gloucester. Don't know why I'm saying it as if I'm from Gloucester, but you know what? I'm from Gloucester. It's Pusher. There we go. And nobody is the wiser to what my keys are. Screen. Here we go. Cool. Which means I also need to run. Nope. Hate doing this pill. And parrots dot env dot env. Cool. Load the ends. It should be. Is it? Let's go find out, shall we? npm js.org. Oh, I forget it's .com now, and we are after .env. And I think I also need to npm I save at types. .env. The reason we have to do this is because I'm writing this in TypeScript. Having types for stuff is always bloody useful, because then the compiler does not throw a Benny, or when it goes Pete Tong. Well, when it still throws a Benny, but it doesn't throw as bad a Benny. Should really talk about how I'm building stuff for it to actually make sense for people, shouldn't I? What's the point of being live coding when you're not explaining what you're doing? So yeah, we are. There we go. Shrink OBS a little bit more. EDBD. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Cool. Channels info. Target console.log. Console.log. Like, solution to all information. Console.log. Channel info. There we go. Let's try npxt. Oh, do I have nodemon? npm I g nodemon. Let's try nodemon. Every time we change something, execute npx tsc. Is it Is it little X or big X? Alright, so I've just done a hacky little thing, which is whenever it sees a change, and then just get it to node dist index.js. Cool. Whenever we see a change, it's going to run the compile. So as if like watch in in any library, actually. Let's try and work out a specific example. No, it's like watching anything. And then it's going to run the compile and then execute. And now it's doing an infinite loop because it's trying to do it, failing, and then trying to do a no dist. Oh, God. Right. Fix this, because it's running in a loop because it's seeing a change, updating, and then seeing a change. Right, cool. That's node mon help. There's a way of limiting it to a specific directory. I think that is W. Cool. So if I do, and then source, only when there is a change in the source directory will it see something and run it. Yeah, there we go. So it's seen an error, blown out, and there isn't a change, so it's not restarting itself. Like, NodeMon is ridiculously powerful. If you've never used it and you're a Node dev, or even if you're not, it's a great little watcher. You can tell it to watch for anything. You can even watch for compiled files, so you can auto deploy and run it. Like, it's really hacky, really powerful for being really hacky. And oh yeah, gotta tell it to anything that's in that directory, because we should. There we go. Yeah, now it's actually auto detecting and rerunning. Very useful for my fellow JavaScript developers or developers. Whee! Nearly lost my little hat for my coffee. Into my coffee. Under my special My Face mugs. My space? My face. My. I have no idea what's going on anymore. I've lost all the plots. Right. We have killed beer number 1. We have beer number 2 to go. Well, or 3. Right, so do I go with the black IPA or stout? Black IPA or stout? IPA. IPA it is. Right, we are going with the Polish from the Broa Stul Mostov. The brewery is called Salamander. And it is a black IPA. I haven't had one of these in a while. So let's have a crack. Unanimously, go with the IPA. There we go. Let's see if I can pour this without making an ass of myself. Papa and the glug on stream. Oh, yeah. Looks stouty. And I can't pour for toffee. Yeah, there's a head and a half. Don't at me, bro. Like, as the kids say. Actually, the kids probably don't say anything like that because, like, yeah. Okay. Oh, black IPA. Where have you been all my life? Okay. Ooh. Right. Where was I? So, we have it. We will have the subscription count, the user count. I now need to feed these in, which should come in the form of process.env.push it. Oh, no. Lowercase env. And if I do this, I can Ma. Oh no, I think I named it slightly differently, so I need to remove that. Yeah. Ooh. That bit. Okay. Expression allowed when the module option is. Did I screw the pooch? Meh. Let's try a different TS config then. A tee. Nope. Damn it. Yes. Wait, expressions are only allowed when the module option is set to. Okay, let's hack our way around it. Yes. Oh, whoops. Let's try that again. Nope, still don't like it. What's actually coming out here? Oh, so it's actually compiling. Oh, we do actually have the compiled code. Go check the actual TypeScript website, shall we? Actually see the actual config. There we go. Let's have a look at the actual configs and see what the options are for TypeScript. Can you tell I haven't written this in a wee while? They also appear to be a little. Oh. Seems it prefers lowercase. Interesting. Source map. Don't care about source map. It's a Node app. Implicit only. Enable error reporting for expressions declarations applied by any. Yeah. Remove comments. Yeah. Preserve const enums. Yes. These are all things that I would definitely like. Try that. Restart immediately. Dismiss. Do that. I feel like a change in music. Let's try something else. Still gonna be Harris Heller because doesn't get me in legal troubles. Let's try his Trouble album. I've no idea what's in here, by the way. Let's just have a look. First impressions. I'm alright with this. Okay, I like this music. And I'm it's Module option is set to E. Let's go with the system. Right, let's do it sensibly. Where's my ID? There we go. Can you tell I am not used to using a Windows machine? Let's try this shizzle. Alright. Oh. Right. I am a absolute and utter plank. ES 2017. Restart. We have changed the error message. The movement of the error message is enough. Ooh. Does that mean it's half cooked? Or is your pie blinking at you? Yes, I understand the ridiculousness of my statement there. And why is it all the recruiters come out when you're bloody busy? The last one called me while I was on the phone to my mum. Admittedly, I'm going to be the first person to admit I'm really glad they saved me from a conversation with my mother. But, the horrible thing is, in this state of being right now, I actually need to flipping listen to them and actually respond because, God damn it, fun employment. Let's make a quick response. There we go. Start to that. Baha. So the screen says true. Does that mean I'm being a right. Now that you've written it as tway, I can't say twat. Which is deeply disturbing. Oh yeah. Oh, you little booger. Don't know why I even said it like that. I apologise to the universe for my incredible stupidity. Contwadi. You do realise you're speaking to a full-blown and scientifically proven idiot, and occasionally I need a lot of pointers. Module resolution to be... Right, fine. Screw this. Let's just see if NPMI... It has a types, because I'm getting the impression this is going to hurt otherwise. Let's see if... No, there is no types. I'm going to just have to constantly hurt my head against a brick wall to make this thing work. Confine module pusher. Did you mean module resolution? Okay, I need to look at those documents again. God damn son of a monkey uncle. Ah! Ooh. Oh! Sugar my plums! There's a quick Conway Twitty joke. Oh. I am not gonna lie, I am going to double check this because I have no idea. Okay, I don't watch enough Family Guy for that reference to have worked. Also, I have no idea. Scottish humour is weird. The only Scottish person I appreciate their humour is Daniel Sloss, and that's because he is a dark human. Right, now that I know this is a thing, this is happening. Yeah. Cool. So let's undo this. Let's add that. Let's then go here, add this. Add to your file, which would be a boot here. And then we can... Mother clucker. Why did nobody tell me about this shizzle before? It still doesn't work. Why did nobody tell me this before? Because it doesn't work when you need it to. Oh, that what would make complete sense. Right, let's look at the TS config. Module. Resolution. Module resolution. Let's have a look at what the options are here. Module resolution. Specify the module resolution structure node or classic keys in TypeScript before the release of man. You probably won't need classic in the modern codebase. Okay, so module resolution is node. Fine. If it's not needed in the modern codebase, why the hell is it preset to the one you don't need? That is gibberish to me. Bah humbug. Oh, now we're back down to me being a plank. Alright, I can deal with me being a plank. Me being a plank is, you know, insufferably normal. What the heck? Get the problem. Now we're in a whole new mess of pain, everybody. And this is why I haven't used TypeScript in a while. But I thought if I'm doing Next.js and React, I may as well start with TypeScript and finish with TypeScript. And now I am regretting my life choices. Much regret. Okay, so it's only complaining about the last one in this, or is it complaining about all of them? Ah. Right, it's actually complaining about all of them. Fantastica! Right. Let's just have a quick check. If there is a diet. Alright, so it should be playing nicely as is. I wonder why it's giving me a pain in the ass. Oh, is it because I'm missing the app key? Do-do-do. New pusher app ID. Yeah, that all seems legit. Off for pizza. Bye! Alright, thanks mate. See you later. Oh, you know what? Before you do bugger off, I think me and you should have a chat. Over scotch. In an evening in a relaxed and friendly manner. But I'll see you later, Callum. Have a good one. Right. Let's kidney punch this mother lover and see how we're going. Okay. According to this, we have it configured correctly. Type I string is not assignable to type string. Let's try importing the types library as suggested. See if that'll help. It shouldn't do anything though, which is the reason why it's rather confusing. That's good, babe. Skibidoo. Alright, now it's throwing a Benny because I wrote bad code, which, you know what? Legit. That's fine. And we're still getting the same error. Okay, so we need to actually build an options object. Okay. Installation Node.js. Pusher. Cool. Configuration app key. Am I screwing something up here? Oh. Let's go back to the beautiful, beautiful picture of my face. Oh, no, nope. That one. The actual beautiful face. And let's have a look if it is a case of just quickly getting the right key. Out of the right place, because yeah. Okay, let's just moving on from that one, moving that to there, and we can go back to my beautiful face. Well, go away from my beautiful face. Boy, yeah, boy. Ah, son of a monkey's uncle. None of this is useful. Oh, we has explosion. Found error. Interesting. So what if I do? Let's remove those. Oh, alright, let's kill it because it's having a wee Benny. Let's also do the wonderful destroy the dist directory, delete permanently. Yes, good night. Rebuild from scratch. Okay, so it's saying there is a problem in here. Alright, so undo that. We do want the cluster, we do want the app ID. Is it possible I've got these the wrong way around? I expected one of my argument got 2. Okay, so... Oh! It's that. This is not annoying at all. You know what? I'm gonna give up. I'll give it up. I'm doing it. I'm out. I'm annoyed. I need to solve this off camera where I can scream into a bucket and have nobody hear me because it's like space. So yeah, I'm gonna peace out. It's gonna be one of the shortest streams I've ever done because YOLO. Right. I haven't felt like competing with bloody Luke. Luke's on all the time. Maybe I need to do this later. Either way, yes, I'm going to bugger off. I'll see you a lot later. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back next week if I don't have job interviews which keep getting in the way, which is what happened this week. So, have a wonderful day, and I will